Dear students, in today's session, we are going to learn the second unit supplementary, Zigzag by Asha Nehemiah. About the author, Asha Nehemiah was born in 1958 at Chennai. Humor, fantasy, mystery, and adventure are the strong elements in her work. She loves baking, walking, reading, and traveling. She has always been interested in writing. Her books have been translated into Bengali, Assamese, Hindi, and Tamil. She believes that stories are a wonderful way to get children thinking and talking about various issues. The central theme of the story is patience and fortitude conquer all things. Now let us have a look at the summary of the story. This story is about a multilingual bird named Zigzag. Dr. Krishnan's clinic usually sounded noisy because of the shouting and crying of children. His friend Dr. Somu requested him to shelter Zigzag, his pet, as he was about to leave for Alaska. When Zigzag was brought to his house, it did not speak to anyone. It could sing and talk in 21 different languages. But it did not speak any word to them. Instead, he transferred the fruits and nuts given to him into a chandelier and to the blades of the ceiling fan. It perched on a curtain rod and went off to sleep. When the fan was switched on, all the fruits and nuts fell down. The papaya slice splattered on the painting of Mrs. Krishnan and spoiled it. Mrs. Krishnan was irritated and persuaded Dr. Krishnan to send the bird away to Visu's house. So Dr. Krishnan took the bird to his clinic. There it commanded everyone in an orderly way. He brought peace, calmness, and a disciplined atmosphere in the clinic. The painting, which had been spoiled by Zigzag, was sold out for rupees 5,000. It was bought because the new technique in painting was liked by the buyer, Mrs. Junjunwala. Thus, Mr. Krishnan's family invited Zigzag to stay with them for another week. Characters in the story: Zigzag. The full name of Zigzag is Ziggy Zaga, King of the Tonga. It's a harmless, unusual, and lovable bird. It talks and sings in 21 different languages. It can recite French poetry. He only slept and snored. It caused commotion in the house. It is considered as an absolute treasure in the family. The African witch doctor. He was the one who gifted Zigzag to Somu. Dr. Somu, he is a child specialist. He went on a tour to the deepest jungles of equatorial Africa. He cured the witch doctor's son, where in turn he was gifted Zigzag by the witch doctor. He brought an insect-eating plant from Amazonian rainforest. He brought boomerang from Australia. Dr. Ashok T. Krishnan, he is a child specialist, runs a clinic. Father of Maya and Arvind, friend of Somu. He took Zigzag with him to the clinic. Mrs. Krishnan, she is a talented artist. She is busy in getting painting ready for her exhibition. She has gone crazy with the sound of Zigzag snoring. And this was her painting named The Sunset at Marina, the masterpiece. Arvind, Dr. Krishnan's son, he likes to take Zigzag to school. He wants to display Zigzag in the science exhibition. Maya, Dr. Krishnan's daughter, she was 9-year-old. Visu, He was an old cook of Somu. He took zigzag to the Krishnan's family. He was the one who introduced zigzag to the family. Lakshmi, the maid who helped Krishnan's family. Mrs. Junjunwala, the art critic. She lives in upstairs and she bought the painting of Mrs. Krishnan for rupees 5,000. Now the painting was sold for rupees 5,000, which in turn brought the zigzag to home back. Now finally they were happy with zigzag. There is a short recap which is in the form of mind map. The message for the readers: action speaks louder than words. Thank you.